Holy Mary, Mother of God! This is the bike I'm gonna be riding in a bit. जल्दी से बाहर जाएंगे और कंक्लूजन शॉट ले लेंगे because I can't wait. So here we are, guys, and I'm riding my favorite bike. Although this is the older version of the bike, but still MT-09 it is today. Hi.
Hi, I'm a big fan.
Oh, nice.
Can I take a selfie with you?
Yeah, please. I'll see you. I'm in a hurry, so I'll see you in a bit.
No issue. I'm too from Hyderabad.
Okay. Nice.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Riding my favorite bike, the MT-09 today, and Mishra ji is on my CB1000 and I'm riding his beloved bike. So this is my most favorite bike, although the newer one has double headlights and all that, but still it's pretty much the same. Thoda khali chutmut idhar udhar change hua, and it's very rare. This is the first time I'm seeing it in flesh. Nahi, Hyderabad mein bhi dekha tha main, but oh my God. This is like a big fanboy moment for me because मैं ये गाड़ी कभी चलाया नहीं, but फिर भी I'm so fond of it. Oh shit. This thing is... So I'm not going to be discussing any technical specifications or anything as such because as I said, this is a big fanboy moment for me. And of all the places, Pune में चलाने को मिला मेरे को ये गाड़ी, and नज़ला बुखार है थोड़ा, तो you know, excuse me for that. Tomorrow morning I'm heading back to Hyderabad, but damn, can't believe I'm sitting on this. ये गाड़ी, I love this bike because this is one of the most amazingly engineered motorcycles out there, and it's super rare. हैदराबाद में खुद एक दो गाड़ियाँ ही हैं, पुणे में भी काफ़ी कम गाड़ियाँ हैं, so it's very rare. A lot of people don't even know that this thing exists out of the showroom. So you know, it ticks all the boxes I look for while selecting a motorcycle, you know. Shit. This thing is like, road khulli hona bol rahi hai. It's got traction control, it's got riding modes and what not. TCS 1 पे है, मोड स्टैंडर्ड पे है. Don't want to fool around much because भाई की गाड़ी है, दोनों खुले दिल से दे तो दिए, मगर फिर भी अपनी तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती ना आराम से चलाने की. The bike is fully stock, air filter नहीं, कुछ नहीं, nothing's been changed. Begging for an aftermarket exhaust. The sitting posture, वाह, चलाने से पहले ही चित्ता. This got an inline 3 cross plane engine. So those three words in the same sentence, inline 3 and cross plane, is a recipe for either disaster or some really thrilling times, because inline 3 is known for its low end torque. एकदम नीचे से उन्हें ऊपर तक पुल देता, आवाज एकदम distinctive आती, and then cross plane तो पूछो मत. That's why this thing sounds very different. You might think it sounds like a Daytona. मैं भी वही सोच रहा था Daytona कैसी रहेंगी, but it's very different. वो Daytona की हुई आवाज नहीं है इसमें, and it sounds more muscular. Shit. Oh damn, this thing is super lightweight. Yeah, one more thing, it's super lightweight. Exact weight याद नहीं है मेरे को, but it's way lesser than any of its competitors. It was all new when it was launched, completely designed from ground up by Yamaha. The engine, chassis, everything on this is all new. Damn. खाली throttle देते कि खाली गामा बोल रही है. Pune roads are very bad at some places. My visor is open. I don't know how clear the audio is. But yeah, चिकने road हैं, so I don't want to stress it enough because this thing is super torquey. I mean, any gear, even in 3rd, 4th gear, थोड़ा भी throttle नहीं है तो it is just lurching forward and sitting posture is very upright and ekdam comfortable hai. I could use this in the city yet go for long tours. Handlebars are wider than my CB1000, so that's a big plus point. Super comfortable. मैं सोच रहा था लाइट वेट है और एकदम छोटी छोटी है. It looks very tiny. That is there. CB1000 भी इससे बड़ी दिख रही बाजू खड़ा है तो. But this thing is like super compact and tiny because it's been designed in modern times and modern times require compact bikes. Better engineering बोलते हैं उसको apparently. The more compact the bike is, the better it rides and the more fun it is. But that being said, आखिरी छिछोरेपने की गाड़ी है ये. Just want a good stretch. I wish we are out at like 8:30 in the evening. That is proper traffic time. Because I am heading out tomorrow morning and Jyoti had office today, so by the time we caught up, it was pretty late. Maybe sometime in the near future, I'll pick this up and make a full-fledged review and video on this. Damn, I'm sold. So the bike owner's Instagram is down there in the. अरे क्या कर रहा है भाई? अरे तेरी भोसड़ी के इंडिकेटर डाल दिया तो जहाँ बोले वहाँ घुस जा सकते समझती पब्लिक. क्या है? Fuck bro.
यहाँ पे अभी ये वाला स्पेस थोड़ा खाली मिलेगा. 2 स्पीड ब्रेकर आएंगे लेकिन.
This thing is insane. And I still don't have time to play around with the different traction control and mode settings, but even standard with TCS on one, this thing is beautiful. It's so well put together. Even though the bike looks super tiny, tanks are chauड़ी और अच्छी है इसकी. Not a lot of people know this thing exists. Mirrors ले लो. I mean, it just feels very minimalistic yet modern and well put together. मैं क्या बोलूँ यार, fanboy moment है मेरे वास्ते. As I said, it's my favorite, most favorite bike. You all know I'm into Street Fighters. And the engine is so rev happy, just like the CB1000, The rev मारते ही चढ़ता उतरता. I'm just wondering what an aftermarket exhaust would do to this gates. अटो चिच्चा दियों क्या डिच्चा उड़ गई लुंगी दिख गया गुच्चा. Damn, this thing is mental. Fuck. कान फट गई मेरी. I don't even care how sweet my bike sounds. This fucking scared me. हाथा ठंडे हो जा रहे भाई. So the power delivery on this is very insane in that way that you just twist the throttle, it goes up, and wheelie modulate करना बहुत difficult है इस पे. I am so sorry. So sorry. Huh?
It's all right.
We'll head back. I've had enough. We'll head back.
आगे से यू टर्न ले लो.
Okay. Damn. The big thing is, so these bikes were known for their twitchy throttle response. The initial batches had a lot of problems, and even the ones which we got later on. So MT-09 का वो एक fault है कि the throttle is too sensitive. चलाते राइट छींक खुल गई यूँ कर दिया बोल तो हो जाती हूँ. So that way थोड़ा that makes the experience a bit more scarier, and जरा pro है तो जरा better advantage है समझो. So if you're a newer rider, this thing is very intimidating. As in when you sit on it, when you look at it, you don't expect it to go the way it does. अब भी जैसा मैं wheelie उठाया, has happened on very few bikes with me that after a point जरा गाड़ी sudden झटके लेने लगती. So that happens on this because the throttle response is super twitchy. What the fuck, where are we supposed to go? Left or right? Oh. Jyoti is enjoying on my bike with the sound and inline 4 and that power delivery. The power delivery on that and this is entirely different. This is super scary, like proper गांड फटने वाला scary है. Can't stress that enough, man. Fuck. सबर कर लो साहब, पहले गांड फटी हुई है. Oh man. Fuck, I'm not even gonna try and do any kind of fuckmongery with this because it's scary. It's properly scary. The throttle is twitchy. तो थोड़ा experience हो गया, get used to होना पड़ता है इसकी throttle response और power delivery को, to modulate wheelies, and that too the traction control is at setting 1, so I think it kind of cuts off at some point, तो थोड़ा weird feel हो रहा मेरे को. It's in standard mode. I think in A mode it will be crazier. So yeah, that's about it. मेरी favorite गाड़ी है, तो of course I do not feel there's anything wrong in this motorcycle. It's beautiful, it's scary, it's chichori. I mean, मेरी हर bucket list की हर चीज़, it's rare. तो मेरी bucket list का हर requirement टिक करती है गाड़ी. That's how much I am in love with this bike. बहुत बकवास कर रहा हूँ मैं, but fuck, even in second gear, man, even in third gear में खाली fuck, that was what, like little bit more than half throttle, little bit more than like a quarter of a throttle, and it's just oh man, I'm in love. कोई भी पहले ज्योति भाई बेच रहा है, कोई भी बेच रहा है, पहली फुर्सत में जाके उठा लेता हूँ. So yeah, one more point. A lot of people have asked me why I don't go for a new MT-09 when I love it so much. See, couple of things, काफ़ी डिप्रिशिएट हो जाती गाड़ी, but that is secondary. When you love something, a passion है अपना, गाड़ी ले लेना, चला लेना, that's a different story. But one thing, as I said, problem गाड़ी में कुछ नहीं है, but problem है with Yamaha. So I'm in touch with a lot of dealers. Hyderabad, the dealership, though, it's absolutely horrible because those people are not at all interested in selling this bike to you. I approached the dealer, I don't want to name the dealer, and I just asked them, okay, when will this bike be available, or when will I be able to, अगर book करा तो कब तक मिलती. And he just outright told me कि भाई कई को लेते भाई 4 महीने 6 महीने, बोल नहीं सकते, कितना भी टाइम लग सकता. I was demotivated right then. And one sales guy didn't even know मैं MT-09 में तो सर वो कौन सी गाड़ी है, वो नहीं मिलती सर हमारे पास टाइप कर रहा. So these people are not trained. A lot of people don't even know that this thing exists. तो इतनी मौत चीख मार पाशा भाई जर्जर है गाड़ी, मगर पब्लिक को मालूम तक नहीं है. So that's one thing. Now later on I realized after talking to Mishra that it's dealers से ज़्यादा the problem is with Yamaha themselves, because they're pushing numbers with the R15 and FZ. They're not interested in premium bikes at all. So even though the dealers they place orders, sometimes Yamaha की तरफ से shipping में काफ़ी delay हो जाता. So don't really get the bike. Lot जो था, there were 16 bikes which were ordered in Pune. दन बिक गए पूरे. Some of them are with dealers, like the Hyderabad bike is with the dealer only. So super rare है गाड़ी. That's a good thing, but then again, I think this thing will murder a Z800, Z900 और Street Triple. आप कुछ भी ले लो. Triumph और उनका marketing है बहुत strong है. That's why they're good bikes, no doubt. But ये उन लोगों को literally, this bike will make them taste milk number 6. छठी का दूध पिला देती उन्हें. Fuck, bro. Fuck. That's all I can say. Fuck the F word. Nothing more. How do you like that one?
It's a different bike.
It's a different bike, na? Sound. Yeah, as I said, Yamaha should be a little bit more proactive in marketing and selling this bike, because this bike will kill a lot of its competition if marketed in the right way. And the engine, everything about this bike is modern, because it's been built from the ground up, and it was initially introduced back in I think 2015 or 16 was the first year model. तो जब पूरा नहीं है तो it's modern and it shows. The bike is perfectly engineered. Yes, downside थोड़ा छोटी दिखती गाड़ी. The starter button is really nice on this. One piece में है. So yeah, done with some pictures. It was a short but very scary kind of ride, and I want to experience this bike out on the highway, man. I don't know, थोड़े दिन रुकता हूँ, अगर दिमाग फिर गया तो जाके शोरूम से ही बुक करके छोड़ देता हूँ. जब आई this thing, I'm sold, I'm in love. I mean, there's no bike which I loved so much before riding it. मैं चलाया तक नहीं था और इतना प्यार था. चलाए बाद तो I've just gone mental, man. I mean, this bike is... So big thanks to Jyoti bhai for lending me this bike to ride. And बेचारे ऑफिस से भी काम वाम पूरा साइड में रख के he came all the way, you know, अच्छी छोटी राइड पे लेके गए, even though it's proper traffic time, but still, man, oh man. And yes, I did pop a wheelie or two. Sorry, bro, he couldn't resist because this is a fucking wheeling machine. This is a fucking wheelie machine. और ऊपर से बुखार है. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. I fucking love this bike and I want Yamaha to market this even more. Yes, it's not as well known as the other bikes and थोड़ा compact भी है दिखने में, but it looks proper छिचोरी stunt bike type. So thank you all for watching and oh kids, किधर जाते भाई? Milky Mist. Yeah, the one thing which needs to be fixed, throttle response, because it's too wild, it's too in your face. जर्रा भी गलती कर दिया बोले तो घुस जाते जाके. That's only one thing which has to be fixed on this bike. And imagine what a power commander exhaust and air filter combo would do on this. And the newer model gets a quick shifter too, so fuck. Anyways, thanks for watching and the gigs.